I made a password protected door lock system, door and locker or factory gate, office gate or house gate or any door of the house you want to protect from hackers and from thieves. This I made by using Delta PLC DVP 14SS2 transistor type. I made this access control systems. It has a password protected, and this password and this protection circuit I make the program, the PLC program is so protected. Nobody can hack it. No hacker can hack. No thieves can guess the code and the password. You can put any password. I put the password 544. 544. This is a password. You can change and I can change also, but I put this password and I am using we can make this password protected door lock by using keypad, just same as we see in the ATM machine or in the elevators, in the lift. There is number 1 to 9 number, just like number by the keypad we can put the password. But now I am using this button. There is these buttons I am using as to put the password. This 0 1 2 3 4 5. So I am using the password 544. So I make this program. The first button I must press 5 times. Second button I must press 4 times, and the third button I must press 4 times. So it will become 544, and this third button for resetting. So I will show you. And this password protected access control system or door lock system or locker system and program by using PLC is so safe and protected that nobody can hack, no thieves can guess. And if he makes some mistake, by mistake he put some other number, so it will lock forever. Door will not open. The thieves and the hacker, if he tries to put by guessing some number, so this door will not open forever, it will close. So I will show you. First I am pressing this button 5 times, and this is the light. I put this light. This is connected with the door lock. If this light glow, means that door will open, and this light doesn't glow, it means that door will not open. So I am pressing this 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. And now I am pressing this button 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Now I am pressing another button 4 times. This is our 544. Now this I am pressing 4 times. You see the light. 1 2 3 4. This light glow. This light glow means this door is open. Once the person enter in the room or in the gate, he must close the door. So I put this button. This is also reset button. If I press this button, door will shut down, close, door close. And suppose any person, anybody, thieves or any hacker want to enter in the door by guessing the number. Suppose he press any number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. See, this door will not open. I am pressing many button, door will not open. Whatever he do, the thief, door will not open. Forever it will close. If we want to open this, first we have to press the reset, and after putting reset, we have to press the correct password. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Now door open. I press the reset to close the door, and suppose the thief put any number by this button 4 times. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5. It will not open because he changed the sequence. He pressed this button 4 times, this button 4 times, and this button 5 times. But even if he put the correct password, door is not opening. This is the extra protected door lock system I made. See, again I am pressing. You can see from the distance. From the distance you can see 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. door is open. This light's glowing, the door is open. I make this program, PLC program, by using Delta PLC DVP14SS2. This is extra and more protected circuit program by using PLC.